Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here with the forecast update on this Memorial Day, and we'll talk about the latest on the tropics, Alberto impacting much of Alabama tonight. Here's a look at the radar. This recording about 9:50 on this Monday night. See the center of Alberto to the south, kind of south-southwest of Montgomery, approaching Interstate 65. That is moving off towards the north-northwest. See all the rain associated with that. Really a small core of heavy rain, and it looks like that will continue to move off towards the north-northwest overnight tonight. So that will impact a good chunk of Alabama. Even where you don't see a lot of rain, there's quite a bit of drizzle and mist involved with this system as well. That wraps around these low-level circulations like this. Alberto is weakening. Winds now down to 35 miles per hour. Wind's not going to be a problem with this. Don't worry about that. Maybe a little bit breezy tonight and early tomorrow. Movement technically north at 12 miles per hour. Pressure is 996 millibars. 7 o'clock in the morning, the center of Alberto should be somewhere over Shelby County, perhaps Bibb County, Chilton County, down that way, and then by 7 p.m. it's over central Tennessee. So you see how fast this moves on. Again, wind not a factor. Don't worry about the wind part of this. I just expect quite a bit of rainfall for many areas. Here's our future cast. Again, this is HRRR, this is actually the RPM, show you what's happening with this. And tomorrow morning, here's 1 a.m. Rain is approaching Interstate 20. By 4 a.m., raining pretty heavily in Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston. 7:30 in the morning, see rain is falling over much of Alabama. There's going to be a sharp cutoff gradient, though. Who does not get rain to the west? I think portions of Marengo and Sumter may not get a lot of rain out of this. Now, Tuesday, by midday or so, the center circulation should be working into North Alabama. Rain coming to an end from south to north, and scattered showers and thunderstorms by the afternoon across portions of central Alabama as well. Flash flood watch continues for most of central and east Alabama. Technically, our west Alabama counties for Tuscaloosa points west not in that. Here's what we're looking at for rainfall amounts. About 2 to 4 inches along Interstate 65. Further west you go, the lower totals. Tuscaloosa, about an inch or two expected to go further towards the west. Again, Sumter County, Pickens County, we're looking at about a half inch of rainfall there. Again, with this event. Here's a look from Tuscaloosa. Conditions are currently dry in the city. That will be changing tonight. Again, heavy rain moves through much of central Alabama overnight into tomorrow, at least till midday tomorrow. Then the rain's pretty much out of here, other than scattered showers lingering around. Now, there's a low tornado risk right on the Georgia state line at points east, west, and central Alabama. Tornadoes not expected out of this. A little breezy tonight into midday on Tuesday. Temperatures in the 70s tonight. Again, there is what was a subtropical storm. It is weakening low pressure now over south central Alabama. Forecast again some heavy rain early in the day tomorrow. Then Wednesday some scattered thunderstorms, a few scattered pop-up storms each day this week, mainly in the afternoon. It will be quite hot though. Highs back in the low 90s.